Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1, and we are out of yet another domestic cup competition, meaning we will not be winning any domestic cup competition. Yeah, our last hope now is the Betway Premiership and the CAF Confederations Cup. Let's start with the starting 11. What are these two pricks doing? Yeah, this is the reason why I don't want these coaches. Yeah, I don't care what happens at the end of the season. I want them gone. I want them gone. How do you play five defenders against Stellenbosch? Five defenders we've been winning with a back four. Why are you changing something that has been working? We've been keeping clean sheets with a back four. Yeah, now you try to be smart. We are experimenting. This was a crucial game. This was a crucial game. Yeah, we needed this trophy, and we are out in the round of 32 against a team that knocked us out in the round of 16, first round of the Carling Black Label Cup. What are we doing here? These men are absolute wasters. They are absolute wasters. Vilagazi, uh, Lilepo, Modi, Ngobo. Bro, we had so many attacking players on the bench, but we are playing with a back five. We went 2-0 down. Flavio Silva committing a foul. It's a penalty. Yeah, it's a penalty. The second goal, bro, we are fucking sloppy in position. What the fuck was Inacio Miguel doing today? Like, what was he doing? And then they took off Zichakwinik instead of him. This guy is always playing week in, week out. Yeah. Even when he makes errors, they start him in the following game. What's special about him? He was supposed to get hooked at half time. I don't care. What did Msimango do? But they took him off because it's easier to sub him off. No, my bad. They took off Zichakwinika. Miguel is the one who should have gone off. This guy was playing against us, I swear. Busy passing the ball to Stellenbosch. That first goal, that second goal, yeah, from the build up, it's him passing the ball to the opponents. And that was not the first time. Absolute rubbish. And then second half, of course, they were going to act brave. They were going to sub off a defender and put in an attacker. Of course. You are losing 2-0. You have five defenders on the pitch. Of course, you're going to make that sub. So I'm not even going to compliment them. Yeah. Second half, we're also posing zero threat. Yeah, we got some few good chances in the first half. Dudu Shabalala, 2 good chances, mate. 2 good chances. I'm expecting 2 goals from those chances. The first one, bro, just shift the ball to your right as soon as possible. Open your body, go to the far post. Yeah, or give him the eyes and go to the to the near post. The second one, poor first charge, second charge, third charge. The defenders were always going to recover. Yeah, poor first charge. He should be doing better. Tutusi Shabalala is no longer a teenager. Yeah, so man's not even going to go easy on him. Yeah, you're supposed to be scoring there. You're a national team player, for crying out loud. 2 big chances. 2 big chances. Who knows? If we scored 1 chance in the first half, we go to the half time 2-1 down. Who knows what would have happened in the second half? In the second half, we didn't look lively. The game was still scrappy. We failed to dominate the game. We are losing 2-0, for goodness sake. We got a penalty. Flavio Silva scored 2-1. Let's go. Let's keep the fucking pressure on. I saw none of that. Yeah, these men are busy instead making some fake sense of agents. When it's a throwing or goal kick, everyone is in a rush as if they are fucking doing something. Yeah, when we have to attack, move the ball quicker, break the lines, attack them, press them. Nothing is happening. This was a fucking shit show. Yeah, and we are out. And this means we are not going to win anything. We are going to go trophyless. We are not winning the Betway Premiership. Forget about it. And it has been confirmed now. Yeah, we can't score 2 goals. We can't score 2 goals. In the last 3 games, I've been sitting here and telling you, this is not sustainable. Yeah, this is not sustainable. And I felt guilty because the team was winning, but I was still pointing out the negatives. Yeah. But today we got a reality check. A team scored first against us early. Yeah. And to make things worse, they scored again. Let's see the character now. Yeah, let's see a character. We are a team that wants to win the Betway Premiership. Let's go then. Let's show character. Let's say, okay, no, it's fine, gents. We can come back. I saw none of that. So this team is definitely not winning the league. As for the CAF Confederations, I'm not sure. Yeah, because there are shit teams there. But let's go to the knockouts first and see what happens. Out of the Nedbank Cup, bro, these coaches are fucking criminals. They are fucking criminals. And bro, you know what? I want them gone at the end of the season. I don't care what happens. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.